Hey guys, it's Jenny. I just got back from a work trip where I found myself in the middle of nowhere, ill-prepared, and only access to a microwave. And I figured, I'm probably not the only one that does this to themselves. So I thought that I would document my journey. What? I thought that I would just document what I do when I find myself in that position, the kinds of foods I buy, what I do bring to prepare as a bare minimum, and still get 120 grams of plant-based protein. So if this interests you, stay tuned. I always want to make sure that my meals are going to be enough food and have enough protein, and I try to get some fresh fruits and veggies in when possible. If I have room when I'm traveling, I typically always try to bring some protein powder and my little portable travel blender. I also brought some oats with me, and then at the grocery store I got some PB Fit and blackberries. I threw in the oats, protein powder, and PB Fit into the blender to take with me to work. For lunch, I ended up packing a salad. So I used a little salad starter, and then I bought some cut up bell peppers. And I don't do this when I'm home, but just when I'm traveling, it's just way easier than having to figure out how to wash, cut, etc. And then I was so happy to find this in the freezer section at the Kroger where I was. And the most important thing about these, well, one, pretty good nutrition, but the fact that you can microwave it, because I did not have access to a skillet or an oven or anything like that. So I microwaved the little fake chicken strips the night before, and then I put them in the fridge covered overnight because I didn't want to have like any hot chicken making my little salad soggy and gross. Then, of course, I had to pack some croutons on the side because they make me happy. And what is the point of eating if it doesn't make you happy? And I tend to keep them separate just so that they don't lose their crunch. And then I was able to find a vegan ranch at the store, so I just packed the whole bottle with me. And then I put all my stuff in my little lunch pail, getting ready to go for the day. And I can't forget my little tangerines. So when I finally got to where I was working for the day, I used a water bottle to put some water in with my mixed PB Fit, protein powder, and oats. And then, of course, I realized that I forgot to actually charge my blender, so I had to remedy that a bit. And if you've been here for a while, it's probably not a surprise. So I had to charge it before I could actually blend it. And then I got to realize how much I look like a little baby cow when I drink out of that. And here is my salad with all my ingredients put together. And it was very good and also very filling and nutritious, so I was a happy person. Then I've been really loving this sort of instant microwavable rice that I have found at the grocery store. I thought I was being all clever, putting just enough in a small bowl, not remembering the fact that when you actually put it in the microwave, it boils up. So I made a bit of a mess. Oopsies. That was kind of a pain in the butt to clean up. And then I used more of that Morningstar frozen fake chicken stuff to microwave for dinner. And then I found some not frozen. I found some pre-cut celery and onions that I threw into the rice just to add a little bit more flavor and some freshness to my dinner. I also have been loving this, how do you say this? Mukimame, which is basically just shelled edamame. Hopefully I cannot F this one up. Also, what is life without some extra flavor? So I bought this crunchy garlic chili sauce that I threw on top of my food. Wow, this is gonna take forever. Yay, food! Smells very good. If you guys like this video, let me know in the comments, or you could subscribe, Every time I'm about to start sweating. It just is so uncomfortable. Okay, bye!